Kulapa, Brajpati, Kulapa and Gramini. Understood? Brajpati special है, family का head Kulpati, and then head of the village Gramini, Gram, horse. The king did not maintain any regular standing army, but in the times of war they mustered, gathering them a militia whose military functions were performed by different tribal groups. I said that हमने क्या बोला था? Gana, Brata, Shraddha, Grama. Understood? These are, I said that, Gana, Brata, Shraddha and Grama. Understood? Mustering the army at the time. So which are the two important? Purohita and Senani. Which are the two important functionary? Sena is an irregular or no regular? Tribal organization. We are saying the family was a part of large group called what is a clan. और कैसे बनता था? One or more than one clan makes jana or tribe. तो मैंने क्या बोला? Family, village and several villages get together become clan, and one or two or more clan get together become jana, means tribe. And jana was the largest social unit. All the members of the clan were related to each other by blood relation. Understood? The membership of the tribe was based on birth. आप उस जगह रह रहे हो, it doesn't mean that you are from the Bharata. You are Bharata because you have blood relation. You are the part of it. So I said that the membership of the tribe was based on birth, not on residence in certain area. Thus the members of Bharata tribe was known as a Bharata. It did not imply any territory. The Rig Vedic society was a simple and largely, and which kind of society? Egalitarian, believes in equality. There was no caste division. Early Vedic में is there in caste division? No. Occupation was not based on birth. आप charioteer हो, your father is charioteer. It doesn't mean that your son will be also. So जैसा करोगे वैसा your be what is in a post will be there. अब बाद में क्या हो गया? Charioteer बेटा क्या बनेगा? Charioteer. Iron smith बेटा, son will become iron smith. So Varna, or I said that occupation was not based on birth. Membership of a family could adopt different occupation. They can adopt any kind of occupation. It is not necessary iron smith should be iron smith. However, certain differences did exist during the period. थोड़ा बहुत कुछ था. Varna or color was the basis of initial differentiation between Vedic and non-Vedic people. एक तो Dravida, and then when I said that Aryas, and then Vedic people who were fair, whereas the non-Vedic indigenous people who were dark in complexion spoke a different language. Thus the Rig Veda mentioned as an Arya Varna and which Dasa Varna. Which are the two Varna is there? Arya and Dasa. So that is not on the basis of it, but on the basis of some थोड़ा सा color के basis पे color complexion has given them like this. Term family. What is the meaning of term family? Kula. And who is heading the family? Kulapati. Who is heading the family? And then in the Rig Veda, Kul family को Kul word से less, very less mentioned, rarely mentioned. The word has been utilized Griha. Which word has been utilized? Griha. And it seems that family in the early Vedic was indicated by term Griha. And differentiation in the family relationship leading to the setting up of separate household had not proceeded far, and the family was a very large joint unit. मतलब उस समय कैसे लोग रहते थे? एक ही साथ, थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम भी हुआ, एक ही साथ कुछ भी हुआ, we are together. So there is a large joint family. It was obviously क्यों? Patriarchal society. आज शादी होने के बाद लड़की बोलती है चलो हम लोग कहीं और रह सकते हैं, चलो. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं, मजाक कर रहा हूँ. लेकिन साउथ में जाओगे तो क्या है? विच सोसाइटी? मैट्रियार्कल सोसाइटी. तो वहां पे भी तो है, जॉइंट फैमिलीज आते हैं. आई सेड दैट इट वाज ऑब्वियसली पैट्रियार्कल सोसाइटी. यदि पैट्रियार्कल सोसाइटी होगा तो पॉपुलेशन ऑफ द हाउस विल बी मोर और लेस. मोर. सो फैमिली हेडेड बाय फादर, सिंस व्हाट इट वाज इन अ पैट्रियार्कल सोसाइटी, द बर्थ वाज डिजायर्ड अगेन एंड अगेन. और हमारे यहाँ देखो, बेटी नहीं तो बेटी, बेटी देन अगेन लेट्स ट्राई. बाद में 7 बेटियां होंगी, चलो कोई बात नहीं. that is killer. So this is in a kind of family. The Kula word has been utilized, or family word as a Griha word is utilized more times. Griha. And who is the heading of the Griha? Kulapati. Who is heading Gram? Gramina. And then who is heading pasture land? Vrajpati. And then understood, and then clan. Several clans get together, become Jana or tribe. And then now I am talking about the status of woman. The institution of marriage was established, although symbols of primitive practices survived. We also notice the practice of levirate. Means if there is a widow, आज के डेट में देखो कैसे आज भी बिहेव किया जाता है widows के साथ, but if there is widow, he can marry with a levirate means brother, the husband's brother. So that I said that marry his brother's widow. Levirate practice is there. It means they are talking about widow remarriage. They are talking about, so that is a good kind of what is a sign in the early Vedic. And then widow remarriage in the Rig Veda. Status of woman was equal to men. They received Upanayana. They are receiving what? Dvisa. They are also getting education. And then I said an education and studies Veda, and some of them even rose to the rank of seers and composing Vedic hymns. And monogamy, or sometimes क्या था यहाँ पर? There is a monogamy, there is a polygamy. एक राजा, अपने राजा दशरथ की कितनी रानियां थे? जो भी थे. कहीं पर monogamy है and राजा जनक की एक. So there is somewhere monogamy and Dasharatha has polygamy, and somewhere women has a polyandry. Draupadi. So, and studied some of them even rose to the rank of seers composing Vedic hymns and established the polygamy, polyandry, and were also none in the latter Vedic, early Vedic and all. So the woman status was supposed to be what? Good. Which I said that Upanayana. Which I said that widow remarriage. Which I said that levirate. And I said that Varna system. Varna system कब division हुआ? Early Vedic में which are the three division? Kshatriya, Brahman and general people. बाद में क्या हो गया? Yes, tell me. Kshatriya, Brahman, Vaishya, Shudra. 4 Varnas. I said that Varna was the term used for color. It seems that the Arya were fair and indigenous were dark in complexion. Dasas and Dasyas who were conquered by the Aryans were treated as slaves, and Sudras. They are made as Sudras. Gradually, the tribal society was divided into 3 groups: warriors. कौन-कौन से थे? 3 groups: warriors, priests, and general people. But 4th division, called the Sudras, appeared toward the end of. Understood? Vedic age finish हो रहा था. 10th mandala. Yes. And but this division was not so. धीरे-धीरे आ गया. The earliest people क्या करते थे? Occupation. The earliest life seems to have been what is a mainly pastoral, agricultural, and living in what in a and being in a secondary occupation. Clear है? Earliest seems to have been a mainly pastoral. Agriculture क्या था उनका? Primary or secondary? And primary क्या था? Animal. Primary was activity was, so mainly they are what is in a pastoral. Mainly they are what? And then second में भी pastoral ही रहा. धीरे-धीरे agriculture बढ़ा है, but they are mainly of what is an animal is very much important. The Aryans did not lead a settled life, क्योंकि initial period में क्या थे? They are nomadic kind of. Latter Vedic में they become what? Settled. Although they used several animals, the horse played the most significant role in their life, and the Rig Vedic people possessed better knowledge of agriculture. The term of war in the Rig Veda is that the people are fighting for which? Cow. Search for the cow. Gavishti I talked about. And the Rig Veda mentions such artisans, और कैसे क्या था? Carpenter. लकड़ी तो होना चाहिए. Chariot maker. Easily समझते जाना, रटना नहीं. आपको क्या क्या हो सकता है? Weavers can be there. Leather workers, shoes कुछ पहनना हो and all. And then I said that potters. Potteries are there. Painted grey ware. Yes, red and black wares. Yes, and there is a PGW, जिसको painted grey ware, and then black slipped ware. These are, I said that in this period. This indicates that they practice also some of these crafts. Which are the smelting? Ayas. Ayas का मतलब क्या होता है? Yes, हिरण्य word means हिरण्य वर्ड मीन्स, यस, हिरण्य वर्ड किसके लिए यूज किया गया? हिरण्य वर्ड किसके लिए यूज किया गया? गोल्ड. हिरण्य वर्ड हैज बीन यूज फॉर, एंड देन आई सेड दैट आयरन वर्ड हैज बीन यूज फॉर. आपके नेक्स्ट पेज में ही दिया गया है, उसी के बस जस्ट नेक्स्ट पेज में ही दिया गया है. हिरण्य वर्ड किसके लिए यूज किया गया है? एंड आयरन का कलर कैसा होता है? श्याम. एंड कॉपर एंड ब्रॉन्ज को क्या यूज किया गया है? आयास. क्लियर? आई सेड दैट. So there is a smelting is there. Also what is there? Smelting. Understood? जिसकी वजह से if I talk about why do the Magadhas are strong? Why do the Magadhas are strong? Iron ore. Very good. Yes, tell me. He said iron ore. Anybody? Yes, tell me. Only nobody will help. Yes, tell me. What is the other kind of help to them to what is in a grow in that region, Magadha? हाँ, वेरी गुड. प्लेन मीन्स वो सपोर्ट नहीं कर पा रहे हो, दैट इज एन फर्टाइल प्लेन. सो दे हैव एन गुड काइंड ऑफ एग्रीकल्चरल इकोनॉमी. मगधा यदि थोड़ी सी मैं बात कर रहा हूं, यहां से हट के आगे जा रहा हूं, तो वाई दे आर एबल टू ग्रो? मगधा इज एबल टू ग्रो बिकॉज ऑफ सपोर्टेड बाय एग्रीकल्चर इकोनॉमी. एंड थोड़ा सा आप देखेंगे तो दैट आई सेड दैट पहले वो राजगीर में रहते थे. देयर कैपिटल वाज राजगीर, एंड राजगीर इज सराउंडेड बाय हिल्स. बाद में उड्डयन के समय में दे कम इनटू व्हाट इज ना, दिस इज गंगा एंड दिस इज सोन रिवर. इट हैज बीन हेल्प बाय व्हाट इज ना स्ट्रेटेजिक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. इट इज ना व्हाट स्ट्रेटजी का मतलब क्या होता है? स्ट्रेटजी मींस यू कैन यू अरेंज योर मिलिट्री एट सेफेस्ट वे. यहां से कोई एंट्री मारेगा बाय एम्प्लॉइंग, इफ द रिवर इज आर देयर, बाय एम्प्लॉइंग लेस आर्मी यू कैन व्हाट इज ना stop the entry of other, and only you have to employ more army on this side because it is an open area. So later on it has been shifted to what I said, that this side between Ganga, and that is becoming Patna. That becomes what? Patna is lying between which two rivers? Patna and, sorry, Ganga and Son river. Understood? So here it is, earlier it was like Rajgir. So later on it has been shifted to Patliputra. Understood it? So they have a strategic point very, and the large number of elephants. Large number of, so there is so much things are available. Therefore, Magadha is able to become what? Powerful dynasty at that time. Understood? Everyone were afraid of it. I said that. So which are the three things that they are good at in their, what is I said, that occupation? कहाँ क्या चीज का स्मेल्टिंग कर रहे थे? Gold. And then tell me, iron. Iron is known as ayas, syam, and copper and bronze is known as ayas, and hiranya is known as gold. And varna system कब आया? क्या exactly आ गया, या latter Vedic के last time it has exactly come? क्या it has shown the sharp division, या it is a little bit not clear? Latter Vedic में आ गया था, but it was in a sharp division. Yes, this is Sudra, this is what Vaishya, this is this. No, not clear. ध्यान में रखिएगा, it is not clear division, but it started. Understood it? And then further it has been come into the clear. और जब आया, then we'll see what will happen. Gold, iron and all this. इनके खाने में क्या क्या था? Yes, tell me. व्हीट बार्ले से क्या बनता था? ब्रेड एंड ऑल. ब्रेड के साथ क्या खाते थे? मिल्क. लेकिन कभी कभी हॉर्स, काउ सब चलता था. लेकिन ड्यूरिंग द फेस्टिव्स, इंडो आर्यंस वेर सेलिंग द एंशिएंट इरानियन वेनरेशन. वेनरेशन का मतलब होता है रिस्पेक्ट फॉर द काउ. सो इरानियंस की तरह हम लोग भी, हम क्या करते थे? वी आर रिस्पेक्टिंग, एंड स्टिल वी आर रिस्पेक्टिंग काउ, बट फेल्ट नो स्क्रपल अबाउट सैक्रिफाइसिंग बोथ द बुल्स एंड cow at that time of wedding or other important occasion. वहां पे सब all the respect हवा हो जाता था. And the person who took part in this sacrifice ate the flesh of the victims, whether bull, cow or horse, but meat was eaten only as an exception. So during the festive it is there. Milk was an important article of the food and was supplemented by cakes of barley or wheat, and some vegetables and fruits are there. Strong drinks. Which are the two strong drinks? Sura and Soma. सुर होता था जिसको चढ़ाकर आदमी रोड पे गिरा हुआ रहा. That is known as what? After having this, you will be lying on the road. That is known as Sura, the quality of having lots of alcohol. And then Soma, generally it is, जैसे champagne वगैरह पीते हैं, so it is given to the god and thereafter we used to take sometimes. That is in a, so which are the two are there? Soma. And it is in a which kind of? The Som is what is in a? It is in a what? Som is in a god, it is known as a plant god, but it is also known as an intoxicant at times. When the alcohol becomes more, then it means life has gone. कई लोग देखते होंगे ना, alcohol content become more and then भाई साहब कहाँ चले गए? So I said that strong drinks. Thereafter amusements, dance and music, whether it is in Indus Valley and everywhere, the dance and music is there, gambling is there, chess is there, some things which are there and all, and then uske baad they are gambling with the dice is mentioned so frequently in